Yeah, so probably year and a half ago, had Kanga Roof out to take a look at a very small leak that we had. Wouldn't happen every single rainfall that we had, but we would have a small leak in one bedroom. Had insurance out to see if insurance would cover anything. Unfortunately, they did not, but stayed in contact with Kanga Roof throughout this last year and a half, and opportunity came up that it was time to do it, and everything was smooth from there. To make sure you're going with someone knowledgeable, professional, and that's what we saw in Kanga Roof. Yeah, salesman was very knowledgeable. Came out with all the shingle samples to our house, so we could see it in the sunlight and match it up with our brick and compare to neighbors and all those things. And we were very happy with the end result. Once we actually decided on the actual roof, it was a pretty short process of what was it, a week to 2 weeks?
No, it was about 2 weeks, yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
2 weeks,
beginning
but
to end, yeah.
our roof was done. Everything was smooth. Kept me informed along every step along the way. So yeah, everything was real smooth. The installation day was it was crazy. Just a team of 15 to 20 guys just coming through here and finishing the project all in the morning before lunch. It was impressive. I actually had two neighbors after they left come by and even say that was impressive. I was like, and actually a week later I saw someone down the street getting a roof done by someone else. That it was like 2-3 guys and they worked all day long, and it was nothing like what I experienced.
Wow.
Cleanup was great. They went through with the old magnet, picking up screws and nails that may have been in the yard. And then the final inspection the next day, they went through again with the magnets, and it was like they were never here. Probably just cost, but it was a lot more manageable than we expected. Just how the installation team was absolutely amazing. That was probably the most impressive part of it.
How fast they did that.
Yeah. Knowledgeability, professionalism, and then after the fact, learning on how great the install actually went.
Journey?
They definitely did hop. All 15 of those guys were hopping all day long. It was impressive.
Amazing.